Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 30th of July, 2024. I think I found the next big soft drink stock that is primed to go up in price. You guys can see it already on the chart. It is Pepsi. Yes, Pepsi currently is trending bullish, and outside of it trending bullish, it has been consolidating right around this particular range, which is telling me something. It's telling me that something is going on into the market in Pepsi. Maybe we might need to dig a little bit further. Pause as to whether or not Pepsi is going to continue its upward trend and momentum. So let's go ahead and break down this video. First thing I wanted to show you is that there is definitely a buy zone hitting the market in Pepsi right around this particular area. Okay, so we're looking at this on the 5-weekly chart, and this is definitely a buy zone. The market here in Pepsi, every time the price comes down to this particular zone, what happens? It bounces back up. So somebody is here. I don't know who it is, but they're here. Every time the market comes down to this particular buy zone, the stock gets bought up, meaning that they're not letting the market go lower. That's one of the biggest clues right here, especially when you see a 5-weekly price bar like this. Okay, let me zoom in to where we got weakness, but then immediately the next 5 weeks, the market goes up. It doesn't go down. The expectation is for the market to go lower, but it didn't do it. So, okay, something's not right. Apparently, if it's not going to go lower, then somebody stopped Pepsi from going down, meaning they bought the stock right there around $150, $155. And then you got the same thing again. This prior 5-weekly price bar, the market in Pepsi went down, gave us that weakness, but we only stopped at $160. Here's Pepsi on the 3 weeks. Again, we saw the market dip down on the prior 3 weeks, and we closed at the high of the bar. Bullish. Here it is. On the 2, we even saw here on this last completed 2-weekly price bar, Pepsi giving us this indication of strength. And then again on the weekly. Okay. So what we're going to do is it's real simple and easy. This alone tells us that the idea of the market in Pepsi is for it to go higher. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to anticipate that this particular stock is going to continue to trend higher. And as we do, we're going to show you where we think sellers are going to be. Okay, so this is a sell zone for Pepsi. And let's go ahead and do another one. Right around there. Okay, so these are our 2 points that we are going to target the market in Pepsi trying to run towards. Okay. Now, this particular target up here at 190, 192 could be in a longer term, 5 weeks, monthly time frame. Take a look at Pepsi on the monthly chart right now. We got a day and 9 hours left, but this definitely looks bullish too. So let's keep track of this on the weekly time frame. And for us to hit this first target, it's only about 5%, 6%. We're going to target that. And then our next target is going to be all the way up here around like 192 to making all-time highs again. So we'll just see how long it takes for the market in Pepsi to run to these 2 zones, these 2 sell zones. But we'll definitely skim off some of that at that first sell zone. So let's go ahead and put this on our simulated portfolio. Today's the 30th. And we're talking about Pepsi. Price at the last trade was $173.21. And that is it. We'll come back and see what the market has done. Give me your thoughts. Hit that like button. Share it, also subscribe. Make sure you maintain your profitability. And as always, trade different.